just throw a kiss. $90 per hour. What is it? One more? It says a kiss, not two kiss. Next shot.
Now, Tim, we do have your final performance coming up. Yes, but before that, of course, we do want to capture this very special moment with the sunlight. So, because this is the last stop of Jay Chan's Philippine Mall tour, they actually prepared something very special for you, and they got you one as well.
Oh God, what's happening?
So you know, put it on you. And if you notice, there's a little message. It says, "Ikaw ang aming rason sa bawat panahon," where it's in Filipino for your song Four Seasons.
Wow, you are amazing. Thank you guys. Who made this? Who made this?
Alright, so Sunlight, we would like to request you guys in one photo at least to lift up these banners, okay? Now can we call on our photographers?